Hey everyone, this is Jim from Fuji Spray Sunless, and today we're going to be going over installing the pressure tube on your TAN7350. Now, if you recently purchased a TAN7350, you may notice that the pressure tube is not attached. So for that reason, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the applicator, and we'll set this to the side. If you lift up under the paper insert here, you're going to see obviously your user manual, your cleaning brush, and the wrench that comes with your applicator. And you're also going to see this long piece of pressure tube. So nice and simple. All we're going to do is just fold this in half, grab your scissors, right at the middle mark, snip, and now you have two extra pieces of pressure tube. So we're going to install one on the gun. The other one you can just put back in your box. So first thing we're going to do, take the pressure tube, just slide it onto the nipple on the lid of the cup, and all the way down until it reaches about the end of the bar. We have this brass fitting right here. We're just going to slide this all the way up until it's on there. The reason we don't want to install the full length of that tube is that if you do have a tube that's too long, it can actually kink and prevent airflow to the cup. But this way, if you cut it in half, you get the perfect amount of length, and then you get a little bit more for when you need to replace this. If you do have any questions, you can contact myself or the Fuji Spray team at 1-800-650-0930 extension 2 or support@fujispray.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day.